The 2024 Yamaha YZF-R6 GYTR is the epitome of track dominance, meticulously crafted to excel in the most demanding racing environments. Renowned for its unrivaled success in international and national Supersport race series, the R6 has solidified its legendary status with numerous WorldSSP Championship victories. Now, the R6 GYTR raises the bar even higher, offering a comprehensive package of GYTR racing parts tailored to unleash its full potential on the racetrack. This ultimate racing supersport is exclusively available through Yamaha GYTR PRO SHOPS, where enthusiasts can access a selection of high-performance components designed to elevate their racing experience. The heart of the R6 GYTR lies in its GYTR engine parts, including a lightweight full titanium Akrapovič exhaust system, AIS plug set, and quick shifter, ensuring seamless transitions through the gears. To optimize race performance, the R6 GYTR is equipped with advanced GYTR electronics, featuring a programmable ECU for precise control over fuel injection and ignition timing. A lightweight wire harness, PC interface cable, and GYTR ABS emulator further enhance the bike's performance capabilities. The chassis is fortified with GYTR chassis parts, such as stainless steel brake line sets for consistent braking performance and a rear set with a reverse shifting kit for ideal racing ergonomics. Additionally, an on-off switch and keyless fuel cap add convenience and functionality to the racing experience. The drive system of the R6 GYTR is engineered for optimal high-speed performance, boasting a lightweight drive sprocket, rear-wheel sprocket, and racing specification chain. Meanwhile, the bodywork features a lightweight glass fiber carbon reinforced cowling, primed in white for easy customization with personalized race livery and sponsor decals. Underpinning the R6 GYTR's formidable performance is its lightweight high-performance 599 cubic centimeters engine, constructed with race-developed technology from Yamaha's World Championship machinery. With lightweight forged pistons, titanium valves, and a high compression ratio, the engine delivers exhilarating performance and race-winning capabilities. The compact delta box frame, coupled with a magnesium subframe, ensures maximum strength with minimal weight, enhancing agility and responsiveness on the track. State-of-the-art 43mm KYB front forks provide exceptional road holding and feedback, contributing to the bike's precise handling dynamics. Completing the package is a lightweight aluminum fuel tank, sculpted to facilitate optimal body positioning and featuring deep knee recesses for enhanced rider control. With its premium specifications and race-ready design, the 2024 Yamaha YZF-R6 GYTR sets new benchmarks for supersport racing excellence, poised to dominate the competition with unparalleled performance and agility.